Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see a new chapter, that is measurements. It's the second chapter. Okay, the second term we are going to see the second chapter, measurements. In the last year, in this measurements we have seen area of rectangle, area of square, area of parallelogram, area of rhombus, area of trapezium. We shall recall that. Okay. First one, area of rectangle. What is the shape of rectangle? The opposite sides are equal. So area of rectangle formula is LB square units. Yes. Then area of square. Yes. A square. That is side square, isn't it? Square units. This is the shape of square. All the sides are equal. Then parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. Here also the opposite sides are equal. Then you have one h, height. So the formula is BH square units. Yes. Then area of rhombus. In this rhombus all the sides are equal. Now here we have two diagonals. Okay, so the formula for area of rhombus is half into d1 into d2 square units. Okay, then area of trapezium. Here the side is A is longer than B. So side A, this is side B, then here height. This is the shape of trapezium. So now the formula for this is half into A plus B into H square units. Okay. The next one, perimeter of rectangle and parallelogram. Sum of all sides, yes. For all the closed figure, the perimeter is sum of all sides. So, here rectangle, here L, L, here B, B. So, 2 into L plus B units for rectangle. For parallelogram also, we have to add all the sides. Then those 5 square and rhombus, 4A. All the sides are equal, no? So 4A. A plus A plus A. Okay. Then perimeter of trapezium. That is also all the sides. Okay. You have to add all the sides. Sum of all sides is the perimeter. Today we shall see the circumference of a circle. All the circles are similar to one another. That is, all the circles are same, isn't it? In shape. Same in shape. That all the circles are same in shape. That is similar to one another. So that ratio of the circumference to that of the diameter is constant always. For all the circles, the ratio of the circumference and diameter is constant. Okay, that is circumference by diameter is equal to pi. Circumference by diameter is equal to pi. For this symbol, we call this as pi. Say pi. Okay. Therefore, C by D, that is circumference by diameter is equal to pi. The diameter is twice of the radius. Yes. Here we have drawn the circle. From center to circle, if you draw a line, that we call that as radius. All the lines, if you draw from center to the circle, we call that all the lines as radius. Okay, here diameter means here one radius, here one radius. So r plus r is 2r. So we can write this diameter as 2r. Write that diameter as 2r. So c by 2r is equal to pi. So c is equal to 2 pi r units. You keep c here, bring the 2r outside. So you can say the formula, the circumference of the circle c is equal to 2 pi r. Then you can say 2r as d. So the circumference of a circle, if they are given in diameter units, means we can write pi d also. So for the circumference of a circle, we have two formulas. That is 2 pi r units one, then the another one is pi d units. Okay, we shall see the example 2.1. Calculate the circumference of the bangle. They given a bangle and they given the diameter of the bangle. Okay, you have to take pi as 3.14. The value of pi is 3.14. Okay, you have to take, that is given is the diameter is equal to 6 centimeter. Then circumference of a circle is equal to pi d units. Okay, pi d means we have to take pi as 3.14 into d is diameter is 6. So now you multiply. 6 fours are 24, remainder 2, 6 ones are 6, 7, 8. Point 6 threes are 18. Okay, the answer is 18 centimeter. 0.84 centimeter. So now the answer is circumference is equal to 18.84 centimeter. Okay. Then was example 2.2. What is the circumference of the circular disc of radius 14 centimeter? They given the circular disc, the radius is 14 centimeter. So for all the circle sums, you have to draw the diagram and show what is given. Okay. Now here r is equal to 14 centimeter. You have to find the circumference of the circular disc. So circumference circular disc is equal to 2 pi r units. Here they given the r value. So you are taking this formula 2 pi r units. So 2 into, here you have to take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Yeah, both are same. You divide and see 22 by 7, then will come as 3.14. Okay. So we can take 22 by 7 into r 14. So you can cancel. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. Then 22 4s are 88. Okay. 44, 44 2s are 88 centimeter. And the answer, circumference of a circular disc is equal to 88 centimeter. Okay, then we shall move to exercise 2.1. Find the missing values. That is, circumference is equal to 1760 centimeter. So, the circumference means the boundary of the circle, isn't it? Circumference means circumference or perimeter, both are same. So, circumference means perimeter, that is the boundary of the circle. So, circumference of the, find the radius and diameter. Then circumference is equal to 2 pi r units or pi d units. Here we have to find the radius, no? So, we can take the circumference as 2 pi r. Get 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R we don't know, but the circumference they are given 1760 centimeter. So, you bring the denominator to the numerator, numerator to the denominator. Now, you cancel by 2 table. Then 8 2s are 16. Again remainder 1. 8 2s are 16. 0. So, 880. Okay. Again you cancel by 2. Sorry, 11 you can cancel. Okay. 11 means 88 you have no. So, 2 11s are 22. Then 11 into 8s are 88. So, 8. Then 1 0 80. Then again 2 table. 1 2 is 2 here. 1. Then here 40. So, 40 into 7 is equal to 280. Radius is 280. So, diameter is equal to 2r. 2 into r. R you have found as 280. So, 2 into 280 is equal to 560. So, we have found the answer. R is equal to 280 centimeter and D is equal to 560 centimeter. Then the next sum. They are given diameter 24 meter. Find radius and circumference. D is equal to 24. Okay. R is equal to D by 2. Okay. That is 2R is equal to D means R is equal to D by 2. Then 24 by 2 is equal to 12 meter. So, the circumference is equal to pi d units. So, 22 by 7 into 24. It cannot cancel, isn't it? So, you divide like this. You multiply these two, 528 by 7. And you cancel. That is, cancel and divide. 528 by 7. If you can cancel means you cancel like this. 7 times 5 times 0.428. Otherwise, you don't know to cancel like this means you can divide and say. Okay. 7 7s are 49. The remainder 3. Okay. 8 bring down 8. That is 35. 5 times. Again remainder 3 0. That is 4 times point. Keep point. We are adding 0. This 3 is not enough, isn't it? So, keep point and add 1 0. Then it will come 28. 4 times. Again, you subtract 2 20. 2 times 14. Again, remainder 66. Add 0. 56. That is 8 times. And again 4, 5 times 35. So, it's going on. Okay. So, you can take 3 digits. That is 75.428 meter. So, the answer is radius is equal to 12 meter. Circumference is equal to 75.428 meter. Okay. Second sum. Diameter of different circles are given. Find their circumference. Okay. First one, D is equal to 70 centimeters. So, you draw the circle, the full line. 2R is 70 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 70 centimeter as given. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r units and pi d units. Which one you can use here? Because they are given the diameter. So we can use D, pi D here. So 22 by 7 into 70. 7 and 70 gets cancelled and 10 times. Here 1 times, isn't it? Okay. 22 into 10 is 220 centimeter. So the circumference is equal to 220 centimeter. Then the second sum, D is equal to 56 meter. So draw a circle, that is D, from this end to that end, 56 meter. Okay. That is diameter is equal to 56 meter. So circumference is equal to pi D units. So 22 by 7 into 56. Then 56 is 8 times. 7 8s are 56. So 8 2s are 16, remainder 1, 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. So 176 meter. So circumference is equal to 176 meter. Then we shall see the third problem. Find the circumference of the circles whose radius are 49 centimeter. And draw a circle from center to circle is 49 centimeter. So radius is equal to 49 centimeter. Here they are given R is equal to 49 centimeter, isn't it? So we have to use the formula 2 pi R units. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 49. So 2 into 154, that is 22 into 7 is 154. So you multiply 2 into 154, that is 308 centimeters. So answer, circumference is equal to 308 centimeter. Then second one, 91 millimeter. That is radius 91 millimeter. Circumference is equal to 2 pi R units. Then draw a circle. From center to the circle is 91 millimeter. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 91. 7 ones are 7. Here 7 ones are 7 and remainder 2 21. 7 threes are 21. So 13. So 2 into 22 is 44 into 13. So 4 threes are 12, remainder 1, 12 plus 1, 13. Then 1 time 4, 4. So here 2, 4 plus 3, 7, and 4 plus 1, 5. So 572 millimeter. Okay. Circumference, that is answer. Circumference is equal to 572 millimeter. Thank you. Have a nice day.